Very
so
gusty
we're dealing
already.
with a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, it's a very different storm than the last one,
Yeah.
obviously. Way warmer. You know, we're hovering closer to 30. The last one, all that came at 18 degrees.
Yeah.
So a very different feel for sure. And a much bigger storm to our east. This is a monster out on the coastline. But really around here, it's been a generally low impact slushiness across the area. A couple of inches of snow here. It's I had rain on there because it was at 33, but the real issue is going to be the wind today. It's already up at 18 miles an hour. Frequent gusts in the 30 to 40 mile per hour range today. It will be very, very windy. Now, the advantage is most of the snow is coming to an end. There is, as Megan McGrath pointed out, a lot of branches are covered up with a thick slab of very wet snow. And as a result, the winds could have a little bit more of an issue. There's already a couple of thousand people without power on the Maryland side of things. But we're generally at or above freezing for much of the region this morning, and we will stay above freezing for much of the day. There's a big dump of cold air, yes, but more importantly, the heaviness of the snow is really starting to abate quite a bit. It's a different story on the eastern shore, but here on the west side of the bay, we have some light snow showers here on 270, 70, and across the Blue Ridge here, but the majority of our accumulating snow is already on the ground. Future weather here, again, the snow will continue quite a bit longer out on the eastern shore, but for us, we should be mostly done with the snow here over the next couple of hours by 9:30, 10 o'clock, maybe a few lingering flurries. That's going to be about it. Skies should the cloud cover should start to break up a little bit late in the day. There's a chance you could even get a tiny bit of sunshine just before the sun goes down, which is about 5 minutes before 6 o'clock. But anywhere in that 3 to 6 p.m. time frame, skies should brighten, may even get a little peek or two of sun. Skies will clear out a little bit overnight. The wind is going to stay up, but it will be below freezing tomorrow morning. So a significant amount of refreezing, but a sunny day tomorrow. Temperatures, though not warm, probably just short of 40 degrees. We will remain above freezing tomorrow afternoon, and not necessarily a hard refreeze tomorrow night into Wednesday morning, which is good news. A chance for a little drizzle around, just liquid drizzle, not flurries, it doesn't look like. A cold rain that could have a few wet snowflakes in it, but not expecting any accumulations of rain or snow on Thursday. Friday is kind of quiet. The weekend looks reasonably nice. Temperatures back in the 50s and some chillier weather early parts of next week. But by and large, what you see on your front lawn is about 90% of what you should expect.